Hello friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to share is very famous Indian dessert. It's called Gulab Jamun. They're very soft, sweet and of course very yummy to taste. Very easy techniques which I'm going to share with you today. So let's have a look. In a bowl, I'll just take 1 small cup of plain flour and 3 times full cream milk powder. Mix them together. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of semolina and pinch of soda bicarb or baking soda. After mixing, we'll add half cup of full cream. Add very slowly to it and mix them properly and knead it into a fine dough, which I'll show you later in the video how it should be looking. So we have to add cream very slowly. So I have approximately taken half cup, but it can be a bit less or more depending upon how much material you have taken. So we'll just start mixing it with the hands now to give it a nice texture of a dough. It will initially stick to your hands, but then after that it will stop doing it and then it will become a nice dough. It has to be soft, nice dough, not sticking to your hands anymore. Like this, you can see my dough is ready now, and after it gets ready I'll put it aside for nearly 30 minutes. Now we'll get ready for the sugar syrup. I've taken 1 scant cup of sugar, then followed by 1 cup of water, 3 to 4 saffron strands, and then cardamom, which I've crushed already, and then mix it nicely and bring it to boil. Saffron gives really good aroma to the gulab jamuns, so that's why I'm just adding them, same as cardamom. After it boils, our syrup is ready almost, you can see that, and we'll cover it and leave it aside. And now we'll start making our balls out of our material like this. The material I have used the ratio, that ratio will approximately give me 15 of gulab jamuns, and you can adjust your ratios as per your needs. Now I have taken oil, but I'm testing it. It should not be on very high heat. As you can see, my material is not getting black or it's not turning brown instantly. It has to be on very slow heat to get my gulab jamuns cooked nicely from inside. So we'll start stirring it, not on the gulab jamuns but to the oil, and then by turning and tossing, you can see my gulab jamuns has got the nice golden brown color and they are not burnt at all. Now I have taken a plate with paper towel on it to absorb extra oil. Show you again, so it is again on very low heat, and then we'll start adding our balls of gulab jamuns into it, and then you can see I'm just stirring it very gently so that my gulab jamun doesn't break. They will start getting a nice golden brown in color. I'm taking them a little bit lighter than the last lot, so it depends which color you like. They're almost ready now. I'm taking out in my plate. Now in a pan of my syrup, I will start adding them, and make sure our syrup is warm and we don't cover them while they're getting absorbed into our gulab jamuns. Our gulab jamuns are ready after 5-10 minutes, and I show you how soft they are. Make them and enjoy. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I highly appreciate all your love and support you're giving to me. And please keep on sharing my videos so that everybody can learn these techniques and cook this yummy food at home and enjoy with their families and friends. Thank you.